Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to activate the eye protection on poco phones. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video here. Firstly, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Okay, so here is the setting. Just tap on it. When you move on setting, you can see the screen, and from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you can see the option of the display. Okay, so friends, here you have to tap on the display. When you click on the display, inside the display setting, again you have to scroll on the down. If you want to activate the eye protection, you have to move on this reading mode. Okay, when you move on reading mode, so here is the reading mode. Okay, so if you want to activate it, it can be say light mode also, light screen. Okay, night screen. If you want to activate this, just click on this reading mode. Okay, just tap on this icon. This will protect your eye. If you want to adjust the temperature, you can adjust from here. Okay, if you want to adjust the temperature, you can adjust. It will be high or light. Okay, you can adjust this temperature. And friends, if you want to schedule, then you can schedule also. Turn on reading mode on and off. Okay, you can schedule also. If you want to schedule, if you want to set schedule. And friends, this will protect your eye. Okay, and especially when you turn on the dark mode and the reading mode, this will protect your eye. Okay, it will not harm your eye. It says reading mode, or it may be say eye protection or night mode. Okay, so if you want to activate, you can activate easily like this. And if you want to off, again you just tap on this icon, it will off. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.